Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today it's super exciting. I got my Boxy Charm in. So we are going to go through the products and we are going to try them on as we go. As you can see, I have my brows, my foundation, concealer, and I powdered my face because I did take a peek into the box before so that this video is not 1,000 years long. So yeah, so let's get right into it. So this month's box is called Vacation. You can see, and it's really cute. It's very floral. It's very nice to introduce spring. So I can't wait to dip into the box. So the first thing that came in is the South Main 3 eye gel packs. It says reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. And this retails for $10. And it's a under eye gel mask, I guess. I'm not going to put this on now, obviously, because I have my face on, but I will try this before I go to bed or in the morning. And it says it works well if you do it, you leave it on for 30 minutes and you use it for 3 consecutive days. So cool, we're gonna try this. The next thing is we got the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. You know how I love brushes in my boxes and my bags. So this retails for $23.15, and it has a shadow brush, an angled shadow brush, and a smudger brush. So we're gonna use these today. And then the next item is the Bellepierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara, and this retails for $20, and it's supposed to volumize, make your lashes fuller and thicker. Then the next item is this item, the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush blush, and this retails for $26, and this color is, let's see, this is like a really pinky pink. This is in the color 111 Prim Vixen. This is a bright blush, but we're gonna go very light because you know I don't like a crazy blush, but we'll use it and we'll go from there. And like I said, that retails for $26. And the last item, the item that I'm so excited for, is the Pure Cosmetics and Boxy Charm collab eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, this retails for $36 and I am so excited. We are opening it together. I'm so excited to like do an eye look with this. Oh my gosh. This is like a tropical dream. Like, doesn't that look beautiful? Sorry, you can see my ring light, but isn't that gorgeous? Like, I love it. And it has a mirror. It has a mirror. So I could definitely travel with this. So maybe this palette will go with me, or maybe I'll take all my little mini palettes with me to New York. But yes, we are so gonna dip into this today. I'm gonna do a relatively not crazy look just because I don't want this to be like super long. So yeah, so that retails for $36. And again, Boxy Charm is just $21 a month. And here you've got, let's see, 36 and 36 is 72, 82. This is $105.15. So $100 for 5 items, and we only paid $21. That's incredible. So yeah, so let's get on to the eye look. So starting out with the brushes that came in my box, I'm going in with the large shadow brush, and I'm dipping into the color Belle. I'm using that in my crease and a little bit above my crease. Now I'm going in with the smaller brush, and I'm going in with the color Pure Effect, and that's going to be my brow bone highlight. Next, to create our halo eye, I'm going into the color Duet. It's a deep chocolatey brown, and I'm putting that in my outer V and in my inner corner of my eye, just to start creating that halo effect. And now connecting it in the middle. Now with a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going in there and diffusing the color a little bit, and I'm blowing it out and trying to connect the middle. Next, I'm going to build that color again with that small shader brush that came in my Boxy Charm. I'm going to really pack that color in there. I'm actually going in with the Boxy black color that's in the palette, and I'm really packing that in. Next, I'm going to take the color Alliance, which is like a olivey gold color, and I'm using that as my shine in the middle of my eye, that little shimmer. I applied this with my finger just to get better color payoff. Next, I went in with the color Belle again, and I am blending all those harsh lines out. Now I'm packing that black color again, because when we do blend, we lose a lot of the color. So we want to make sure that the color is nice and packed and everything is blended and transitioned pretty well. And as you can see, I'm packing that black color so you can see the halo. Next, I went in with the color Belle again on the very bottom lash line, and I'm smoking that out. Off camera, I did apply to my tight line and waterline the Essence Extreme Lasting Black Eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the Bella Pierre Volumizing Mascara. I'm giving my top lashes a couple coats. Now I'm going to go in and do my bottom lashes as well. I really like for my bottom lashes to stand out. Next, I'm going in with that pretty Vulgar blush in the color Prim Vixen, and I'm doing a light hand on it because it is a pretty pigmented color. Now for highlight, I went in with the Balm Mary Lou Manizer highlight, and I'm just adding a little bit, being that we did do a full face. I will list below my foundation, concealer, and powder. Next, I'm going in with an inner corner highlight, being that the eye look is so dark. I went in with my Victoria's Secret Trio eyeshadow, and I'm using that taupey color. I love that for my inner corner highlight, and it opens up my eye a little bit, being that it is a dark eye look. Next, I'm going in with a NYX matte lip liner in the color Red Blush, and I'm lining my lips, getting ready for my lip color. I'm taking the Ultra Satin Lip from ColourPop in the color Lost and applying that to my lips. And our Boxycharm look is done. Okay, so this is the final look and my thoughts on everything. This mascara is okay. Didn't really do much volumizing, I don't think. I don't really see too much of a difference. It's an okay mascara. These brushes, they're good. They're soft. I like them. They blend out the shadows pretty good. I want to play around with them more, so I like that. And the blush was pretty good. I mean, I went really light on it because it is a darker color, so I like it. And then the eyeshadow palette, the star of the box. So most of the people that I saw with the box do looks, they use a lot of this color and the light colors. I went for a smoky eye, halo eye. I wanted to do something a little different. I played with this one, and I played with this one, and this one. I used this one as my transition shade, and this one as my brow bone highlight. And so I wanted to try to do something different. So this is the look I came up with. So if you enjoyed watching me do my Boxycharm unboxing and try on, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel down below, and comment down below what you want me to do as far as makeup looks. Do you want me to do another look with the brighter colors in the palette? What did you get in your box? Did you get anything different? Did you get the same things? What kind of look did you do? Definitely comment below. And thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. And I will see you beauties in my next video. Good night.